Here it is. I haven't shown this yet. This is my homebrew gun cabinet closet. It's actually a closet. It's safe, you know. Yeah, actually, we need to hold it like so you can see what was here, right here, originally in this space. Let's stand back. Yeah, was a furnace, an old electric furnace, because my house, half of it was originally a mobile home. That somebody built the house over a mobile home, basically, and they used like the mobile home as a base to build the house. I mean, this has brick foundation and everything. So they did a lot of serious amount of work to make this house, but it was originally a dinky 60 by 12 mobile home, and this had an electric furnace that originally came with it. I pulled it out, pulled everything that was around it out, so it was just nothing was bare here to the floor. I even had to fix the floor, and whatever was laying around as far as paneling, wood inside and outside the house, screws. This thing is made out of completely reclaimed product. I mean, there's nothing here that I bought new except the lock. Even these hinges I had. They were new, but I happened to have them. I happen to have 3 brass hinges I never used for something else. And that's 1 by, and some on the back. And I had some 2x6s and 2x4s. Might even be a 2x3 in here somewhere. Some piece of pine, board that I had, some of my firearms. Yeah, nothing too exciting. Although I like this one. That's my one I've done a lot of videos on it. Savage, 1899. Still have it. I gave it to a friend to hold it for me. I basically sold it to him knowing that I could come back and get it, which I did. And he fucking dropped it in the interim and broke the fucking stock like a fucktard. That's alright, I forget. I don't see him anymore, but I still forgive him. Actually, this isn't nice, too. This is an old 1940s 22. So I got picked up at a garage sale. And 50 cal. Nothing special, just an old 50 cal. And that's my Mossberg bolt action 20 gauge. And that's a new cheapy Etro shotgun 12 gauge I got on sale. Less than $200. Couldn't pass up on that one. Anyway, then there's just the handguns. This is a 36 caliber black powder, double shot Fort Derringer, all brass. That's a 22 Magnum 22 Heritage Arms. 380 Ruger LCB with an extended 15-round magazine, and 9mm SD9 Smith & Wesson, classic. Be sure. And that's about it. So I've had a 38 laying around somewhere, but that's about it. Now, a lot of ammo. And so anyway, I made this, as you can see, I had a lot of 1x, claimed the 1x, and 2x4, as you can see, and some 1x pine, There's a Mosin to get, print out. That's for my SD9. And that's it. Like I said, it's got a deadbolt picked up at Walmart for $10. So if this cost me anything, it cost me $10. So it cost me the deadbolt. It's not super pretty, but it's very highly functional. And I don't have to worry about my guns. They're locked up in the safe, right? When I don't want them, anybody have access. And it was a cheap project, so it didn't cost me any money, Well, the $10 for the lock. I wouldn't think it'd be out without that. And that's it. It's my DIY gun closet. Back shot so you can see the door. One more time. And that'll be it. This sits next to my desk. So that'd be it.